Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that g of x is equal to 2x minus 1 and h of x is equal to 1 minus g of x. And we're asked, given this, what is the value of h of 0? So if h of x is equal to 1 minus g of x, h of 0 is equal to 1 minus g of 0, right? You just have to plug in 0 wherever you see an x in your definition of the original function. So to continue, we actually have to find what g of 0 is, right? G of x is 2x minus 1. So g of 0, again, you're just plugging in 0 wherever you see x. So we have 2 times 0 minus 1. 2 times 0 is 0 minus 1, and 0 minus 1 is negative 1. So now g of 0 is equal to negative 1. We can plug this value back into our original function. So h of 0 is equal to 1 minus, then g of 0 is negative 1, so 1 minus negative 1. And this is equal to 1 minus negative 1, 1 plus 1. Right, when you're subtracting a negative number, that's the same as adding the positive version of it, right? Or you can think of it as the negatives canceling. Either way, 1 minus negative 1 is equal to 1 plus 1, and 1 plus 1 equals 2. Therefore, D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.